Hallo julle, vandag gaan ek en Danai.
Hallo julle en welkom by Nika.
Vandag gaan ek en Danai Would You Rather challenge doen.
Dis die eerste keer dat ons die app gaan gebruik. Die eerste een. Would you rather be forced to always say what you're thinking or never be allowed to speak again? Was so moeilik.
Never be allowed to speak again.
Ja, want soos
Almal gaan my haat in hierdie wêreld.
almal weet of dit uit die weer gedagte is. Nie op daai manier. Volgende. Would you rather be able to speak fluently every language in the world, every language in the world, or be the best in the world at something of your choice?
Dus enigiets.
So, jy kan alle tale
Alle
volpraat,
tale. Alle
of
tale.
jy kan een ding freaking goed doen, soos die beste in die hele wêreld.
Tale. Want jy gaan heel graag om die beste te wees in iets. Die tale kan enige plek toe gaan, met enigiemand praat.
Ja, ek sê alle tale, maar dan gaan jy ook spesiaal wees. Would you rather live forever or die in the next 5 minutes?
Ja!
I'm so freaking out.
Live forever.
Live forever. En dan kom jy weg op net. Would you rather have uncontrollable gas at work for the rest of your life, or uncontrollable gas on very first date for the rest of your life?
So dit is basically by school uncontrollable gas of op je
Ek sal sê
op je
first
eerste date.
Ek sal sê first date, want dit is net elke, soos, dit is rarig niks.
Ja, en as jy ou regtig nie hou dan moet hy maar jou gas
Ja.
afgee.
Would you rather lose all of your hair or all of your teeth?
Ja!
Ek kan
vast
dan
aan
kan
die
jy jou pas aan. Would you rather be awarded the Nobel Prize or receive the $1 million that normally comes with? Would you rather have a time machine that only goes back in time, or a time machine that only goes forward? Back. So ek kan dan so ek goed voorheen en ek wil nie weet wat ek moet doen. Ja, ek gaan my nie bang wees. Would you rather be ignorant and blissful or smart and more happy? Ek weet nie ignorant en blissful. Ek sal sê ignorant and blissful. Would you rather be really hairy or completely bald? You're nog heel wax. So jy kan niks aan doen. Would you rather be super strong or super fast? Fast. Fast or fast? Would you rather have the best house in a shitty neighborhood or the worst house in a fancy neighborhood? I should say the worst house.